Hey, it's Leah. Are you there? Okay, awesome. Well, I just wanted to show you an amazing opportunity that you can do from the comfort of your home with a website that allows you to use text marketing. So right here, you'll be able to use Textbot and use a capture page. Also, I have tons of marketing strategies to help you out through this process. One of the ones I really do enjoy is using a capture page, of course, and also doing drop cards. Drop cards is a great way to drop these. They look exactly like $100. So if you want to make $100, when you pick up $100, you'll see how this works. Right here is what they look like when you fold them. Looks exactly like $100. So when it's laying on the ground or laying in a business card box or fish bowl, anything like that that you keep putting business cards in, this will stand out. Also, this is the other side, so pretty cool, looks pretty real. And then when somebody picks it up, right here is all the information on the business. So work from anywhere, unlimited income potential. Call this number 386-518-0202. Our AI SMS chatbot will pay you $100 over and over again. The website is 𝗕𝗨𝗦100.now.site. So if you're looking for an opportunity to work from your smartphone and get paid $100 and $500 equaling $600, let's get started. Go ahead and text the phone number 386-518-0202. Put in the keyword video and check it out. Otherwise, I'll have some links down below, and I'm here to assist you with the process. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.